The FDA approval of the Pfizer vaccine.
And new questions here at home in Oklahoma. Will the approval lead to more vaccine mandates in your workplace or the classroom of your child or grandchild? News 4's Brent Skarkey joining us live in studio with more. Brent.
Well, Pfizer now the first of 3 vaccines to move past the emergency approval state. But what does that really mean?
The science behind the safety of the vaccine in terms of the individual patient, that's done. That has been there.
The head of infectious disease for Integris Health says the clinical study process has already shown that the vaccine is effective. Dr. Chansom says Monday's announcement is more about approving the manufacture and distribution of the vaccine. But he says the news could have a big effect on vaccination numbers.
At up to 31% of people who said they didn't want to get the vaccine didn't want to get it because it wasn't FDA approved. So I'll be curious to see if we'll have that kind of uptake. That would be huge if we did.
The FDA approval could have implications in the workplace for employers.
The full approval, called biological licensing application, now allows them the ability to require vaccination and not be as concerned about lawsuits and other challenges that might arise.
Will we see more places making moves to require vaccines? One of the state's largest employers saying in part, while Love's encourages employees to get the COVID-19 vaccine, it doesn't currently require it. A spokesperson for Integris Health saying, we do not have a decision yet on requiring caregivers to get vaccinated. But the military coming out today with strong guidance.
We're going to move forward, making that vaccine mandatory. We're preparing the guidance to the force right now.
A statement from the Oklahoma National Guard saying Oklahoma National Guardsmen are required to meet the same medical readiness standards as the active component. As for universities, OSU officials issuing a statement saying in part, Governor Stitt's executive order, in addition to prohibiting mask mandates, prohibits the requirement of a COVID-19 vaccination as a condition of admittance to any public building. This includes OSU as a state agency. OU taking the same stance, saying, at this time, in accordance with Oklahoma law, the university is not requiring COVID-19 vaccines for faculty, staff, or students.
Well, Dr. Chansom does make the point today that the FDA approval of the vaccine for those 12 and under could get a lift from this decision today. The state health department says this won't affect the way it distributes or administers the Pfizer vaccine. Officials at Tinker Air Force Base say they will require it, but they're hoping personnel will go ahead and get it on their own before they issue orders.